So this is how I automate ChatGPT to post on LinkedIn. I'm using something that's called Go High Level. It's essentially a platform, all-in-one platform where I can integrate ChatGPT and I can post literally to any social media platform, not just LinkedIn. So as you can see, I'm getting like quite a good amount of engagement on LinkedIn. And everything that I'm doing is I'm doing this setup right here. So if you want to follow along, we have a link below where you can try Go High Level for 30 days for free. And essentially what you want to do is you want to go to your agency view. So when you log in Go High Level, what you want to do is you want to create a sub account, and a sub account will represent your business. So click here, create sub account, and you want to go to regular account here, and you want to choose a snapshot. So for example, let's say you are in the home services business, you can, or marketing agency, you can select and continue that. And then all you need to do is find your business here on the maps. For example, let's say, whatever your business is, you find it on the maps, you click here, you fill in this right here in, this is my own account, and then you would be able to switch to your account here, which I have it right here if I go to my sub account. Now, once you're in your sub account, you go to your marketing, and then you have a social planner. And this is where you can create a new post with AI. So you have AI agent that is connected to ChatGPT that posts on LinkedIn every single day. And this is how you can automate it as well. So what you can do is you need to go to settings here. And after you reach settings, you want to go to integrations. And here you want to go and find LinkedIn. So click on LinkedIn here. And as you can see, I have it right here. So I'll just need to sign in. Once you sign in, just allow. And once you allow, you should be able to connect it. As you can see, it will also load up your ad accounts, which for this you don't need it. So just hit save. Once this is integrated, you want to go back here, new post. And as you can see, you can select the social account right here. Now, if you cannot see LinkedIn here, you will need to click add new social here and connect LinkedIn this way, which is, I think it's a new way, but you can just go and allow. And as you can see, this is going to be right in here, and I can just select my page. Let's say this one. So let's say I want this page. I added it right here. Okay, and now I have it right here. Okay, so this is what I want. Now, if I go back here, I can go create new post. And as you can see, I have content AI. So I can click on content AI, click LinkedIn, hit next. And as you can see right here, I can enable a brand voice that I want. And I can select here as well like a tone of voice, which is like my tone of voice that I have. I can preview this brand voice if I want. And then I go here and I have key message for LinkedIn post and what I want, and then it will give me the number of variations. So for example, in here, I can actually go and I can preview this brand voice if I want. This is essentially done in one of the things that I'm going to show you later. But right here you have tone of voice, which is friendly, key message for LinkedIn post, top 3 marketing mistakes that people do when attracting new customers. And then goal for LinkedIn post to convert to my to convert viewers to my audience. And then I can hit number of variations 3. I can hit generate. I can also have additional options here like brand voice, stuff like that. But now I will be able to generate content so I can post to LinkedIn pretty much with, Go High Level. So as you can see, let's wait a little bit here and let's see what we came up with. As you can see, now you pretty much get everything right in here, and you can automate this to be posted every single day. So as you can see here, you can copy the content if you want. And then once you copy the content, it will be copied right here, or you can just paste it here and then you can hit continue. And basically right here, you can select the account, which in this case is going to be this one, how it's going to look like, and then you can schedule here this particular post. You can also send this post for approval. If you're a big company, this is a really good way to actually go and to, automate this post approval and stuff like that to add your staff member in, and then you will be able to do that. But This is pretty much how to do it. It's very simple. If you want to test Go High Level for your business, you can check out the first link down below. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.